What does foggy glass mean, and do replacement windows solve it? We get asked this question pretty good bit, and you may have some windows that look cloudy or foggy between the glass. There's no way you can really clean it or get rid of that, and there's a reason for that. Primarily, the seal on double pane windows has failed, so the gas that was inside has escaped, and this the gas is usually like an argon type gas, which insulates that space between your two panes. And once that's escaped, that means there's a hole in the seal, and that hole allows moisture to get in between the glass. And once that moisture is in there, it dries, and there's no real way to clean it, so it leaves water marks and spots. So there's a couple things you can do. You could hire a local glass company to just swap out that section of your window. Sometimes they're able to do that. And I would say if you just have one window that's doing that, that would probably be the best route to go. If you're seeing that in multiple areas, or you see other issues with your windows, it may be time to replace all of those or all of your windows, because they're most likely the same age. One of the cool things about the windows that we use, it has a lifetime warranty on that seal. So if it does fail for some reason, it's replaced at no cost to you. And that's the biggest difference between a quality window and some of the lesser grade, builder grade type windows. One of the downsides of course, not being able to see out of the window or clean it, it's pretty frustrating every day to look out through that. So a new window is going to recapture you being able to see outside clearly. So I think it's worth it. So if you are seeing this issue, now you know kind of the reason why you're having it. It's not one that can be fixed other than replacing your window.